I picked up this Canon Canonet camera for $6 and sold it for $100 to another seller who refurbishes this specific model. This is how I test the camera to see if the lens element is in good condition. Set the shutter speed to bulb and the aperture to 1.7. Wind the camera and open the back. Press the shutter and you'll be able to inspect the lens. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. Posted on the 14th of February, 2018. Alright, hopefully there's no one at the skate park. Alright, so I have this GoPro, pretty cool. Gonna fashion it in the belt and see if I don't get caught and thrown out.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Take care.
Thank you.
Found this cowbell for $4. It's a Latin percussion rock ridge rider. This To Me messenger bag was at the Salvation Army for $4 and it came with the keys and the lighter. Next is a To Me laptop sleeve. I paid $2 for this. This Mark Pack fanny pack is for me. 1, 2, and 3 leather elbow patch Pendleton flannels. Free People sleeveless blouse, cycling jersey for me, Team USA Umbro hoodie, 2 pairs of cycling bibs, totally not for me. Peter Millar dress shirt, Zara jacket with the V-neck lapel, Robert Graham polo, 2 Lily Pulitzer pieces, this Anthro top, Vineyard Vines dress shirt, and this Hardwood Classics hoodie. Here are a few niche things that sold recently. These are Hoka 11 event Tortec hiking shoes. I bought these on a dollar day and sold them for $82.10. Next is this Low Pro camera backpack, sold for $50. Last, we have this Target by Tory Burch thermos, and they always sell for around $25.